Styccobond F81 is a two-part epoxy adhesive designed to secure a wide range of floor coverings in areas that may be subject to surface water. When using Styccobond F81, empty all the contents of the hardener container, blue part, into the resin container, yellow part, and thoroughly stir together using a power whisk fitted in a low-speed electric drill. Mix until a uniform color and consistency is achieved. Scrape the sides of the container to ensure that the hardener component has been thoroughly mixed. Hold the trowel at an angle of 60 degrees and spread the adhesive over an area which can be covered within the working time of the adhesive. Immediately lay the floor covering onto the wet adhesive, pressing from the center outwards to expel any trapped air. Roll to ensure overall contact with the adhesive. Under certain circumstances, it may be necessary to apply weights to some floor coverings to maintain contact until the adhesive is set, about 12 hours. The open time of the adhesive is dependent on temperature, humidity and absorbency of the subfloor.